Hello all. Today's class is about advanced returns management. You know about the basic return orders. Basic means standard return orders in the SAP ECC or S/4HANA. So S/4HANA comes with another advanced methodology that is for advanced returns management. So to enable advanced returns management, we need to go for we need to configure specific steps. So as you know, S/4HANA SPRO, if you go to SPRO, under that you will have two menus. One is Logistic General, another is Sales and Distribution. You can go to anyone and you can enable the advanced returns management for the client. Okay, if I go to Logistics General, scroll down, you'll find advanced returns management, and there you will have the general settings. Under the general setting, you have a lot of menus, sub menus, and also there is customer return, supplier return, and material inspection. So basically, we'll go for customer returns. So in order to activate the advanced returns management, so we need to activate for which return order type you need to activate advanced return management. So in short, we call it as ARM. So if you go to the standard configuration, so we have CBAR, which is the standard return in S/4HANA, and which is enabled for the advanced return. So if you tick mark here, then it is advanced returns management is enabled. And under that, you need to define the subsequent document types. So subsequent document types, suppose it is default CMR order type. So what should be the default one? That will be GA2. And the document type for subsequent delivery, that is for SDF. So it will be SD2. Then delivery type will be L2, LO2. Okay. Returns to customer, LO2. And then it is the GR quantity correction delivery type, say LO3. So here the automatic credit memo is enabled. So once this is enabled, so it will start creating the automatic credit memo. If there is no approval process is enabled, I mean directly the credit memo can be created. Otherwise, it will go to credit memo request and then approval and then credit memo. Here also RE2, you can see advanced returns, and there GA2 and also LO2. LO. Okay. Go to credit memo request order type. What is the credit memo request? So if you see the credit memo request for return, that is GA2, and it is enabled for advanced returns. For SDF, which SDF is enabled for advanced returns? So you can see SD2. So there is a standard one which is SD, and there is also FD is for the delivery free of charge, but here SD2 is enabled for the advanced return. So it will be a replacement of delivery order. Replacement delivery order. So next comes the screen layout. So what are the screen, the fields you need to make it active. What kind of configuration required, display, hide, you can do, whichever is according to the business process which is the way it is required. Okay. Then go to activate refund control. Activate. So you can see that there are 5 activation. The refund control is maintained. So if you see A, which is after the receipt of credit memo, so it is active. Immediately means that it will refund the immediately. No refund, it will not create any kind of credit memo. Approved, the refund is approved means it will create the credit memo request. By credit memo request, so it will be decided later. This is how the refund will be controlled. Different region codes for customer returns. So if you see 001, which is maintained customer order too much, so they have returned some amount that you need to take it back. Customer brought the wrong product, 002, so accordingly the customer will be given the either the replacement or the return will be done. So product is damaged, completely taken into return. Either it is decided as that it is totally it will be replaced to the customer, or if the customer has due to customer's negligence it is damaged. So how much business is deciding to refund. Product is defective, customer found defective, so return the amount or return the quantity. So return the product. Too much delivered, wrong product delivered, recall by the vendor. Okay, then refund codes. You can see this refund code. The way you will select, it will be refunded to the customer. What is the default values for the refund codes? So refund codes, if the inspection code is 001, return region is 003, then refund code is 100%. So this kind of mapping decision way of decisions will be rules of decisions will be maintained here. So suppose the partially the inspection code found after the inspecting the product, return product at your plant, you found that it is partially okay and the product was damaged, return region, so 80% you are refunding. If it is for correct wrong product delivered, yes, 100% refund. So here you can see wrong product delivered, but item was okay, not okay, partially okay, all these cases 100% refund is there. But in case of product damaged, this is not possible, 50% refund, partially okay, 80% refund, and 100% okay, 100% refund. Default values for return orders will not maintain anything. If you like, for your specific plant, you can maintain default values. And accordingly, you can change also when you are doing the return. This is only the default values. Plants requiring approval check, so you can enable where the active approval is active. Okay, so for similarly the material inspection, what I mean, the inspection, if you are enabling for the material inspection codes, then definitely for that inspection codes, the catalog, code group and everything should be relevant configuration to be made. Okay, so let us go for a return rejection. So /n VA01, press enter, returns. Okay, So default values, if it is there, you can return regions. So product is damaged. So let us see, product is damaged. Metal received yes. Follow up activity received into plant. Refund control. Refund immediately. You can go a credit memo. Okay, wrong product delivered, metal received to plant, refund immediately. So copy. Okay, so you can see. So 50058 we can take it to return. So refund control. What is the refund control? You have selected wrong product delivered. 0001 credit memo. Create a credit memo. And the refund control is 100% refund. Okay. You can take, in case suppose you have taken from vendor, so you can ship to supplier. You can take a transport to scrap, so it will post for posting to scrap. You can transport to free available stock. Basically, the product will be received into the return stock. Okay. So here, go to save. Edit incomplete item. Order region. Order region was wrong item delivered. Okay. Go back. Shipping receiving point. S1. Okay, then go back and save. So you can see this standard order are delivered. So if you go to the display and you go to document flow, you can see that standard delivery is created. Automatically the standard delivery is created. Okay, just click on the document flow. So you can see that the GD also, goods delivery return block to block stock, it is already done. Credit memo also it is created and it is an open. So this way the advanced return mechanism works, because you have given all this configuration that material is already received, so it automatically posts this document. Okay, so it returns to blocked and takes to the location. And also credit memo is created. You can see the credit memo and go to accounting. Accounting entry is not created. Okay, this also you can fix by change, release. So the accounting document is created. So if that problem would have not been there, then you would have seen the accounting document also in that start. Okay, so this is how the advanced return mechanism works. Thank you everyone. Thanks for joining. Please subscribe to our channel and also leave your comments and also refer to your friends, colleagues. Thanks for watching my channel. Thank you.